Hi, welcome back. This is 365 Careers Accounting course. So, we've learned what accounting is and why it is useful, the 4 types of accounting, the 3 main financial statements, and also some details about the accounts that form each of these statements. You should feel pretty good about the progress that we are making. So, now is the time to look at the main accounting equation. Do you remember what a balance sheet is? I'm sure you do. A balance sheet shows what a company owns and owes at a specific point in time. On the left side are the company's assets, the things that it owns. On the right side are the company's liabilities and equity, showing how the company was financed. This is what the balance sheet portrays. The reason it is called a balance sheet is because assets must equal liabilities and equity. The 2 sides have to be equal, or else a mistake has been made. This principle is known as the accounting equation and is one of the core principles around which accounting has been built. Assets are equal to liabilities and equity. This is very logical, right? On the right side, we have liabilities and equity, which are the firm's sources of financing. Liabilities are other people's money, and equity is our money. On the left side, we have the firm's assets, the things that it has bought with the money that it received. Given that we are thinking about the same amount of money on both sides, it is only natural that one side is equal to the other. The accounting equation must be satisfied for every business you will ever see. It balances for the gelato shop on the next corner, as well as for Walmart and Chevron.